God, I mean, trends these days, TikTok's kind of taken over the land. Obviously, there are a lot of trends that are going into kind of unused vegetables and trying to get people to kind of use things they wouldn't normally use, or reduce wastage, or use the whole ingredient that you're using. Obviously, a lot of people, you know, I don't know, take a bunch of spring onions, for example, and chuck the tops away, chuck loads of the bottom off and stuff like that. But I think, you know, there are so many ways that you can use things that you would normally use, and I think obviously people are cooking at home a bit more these days, and everybody wants to kind of learn, you know, cheaper ingredients that make kind of really, really great dishes, and this is kind of what this is. And I cook this a lot for clients when they want kind of a sharing style meal, kind of put this on the side. And I think not very many people, I think, would like go to the supermarket and be like, oh my god, I'm gonna have cabbage for supper. But like, I do actually think that this will change your mind on that one.